Bonjour everyone and welcome back to Chez Gourdet Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make Haitian Cremas. This is the traditional way using raw coconuts and rum, but you can choose to use a different form of coconut if you'd like. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the inside of the coconut only. So I'm going to cut them up into smaller pieces, peel off the skin, and then get them ready to blend them or to shred them. For this recipe, I'm going to grate and I'm going to blend it just so you can see both processes. Grate down your coconut into the slimmest pieces possible, and then you're going to add carnation milk. If you want to use the blender, simply chop up your coconut into really small pieces and then add them to the blender with 1 can of carnation milk. Next, we're going to strain the mixture. This part is so important because you want to get as much of the coconut milk out as possible. So again, you're going to put a strainer on top of a bowl and use a spoon like I am right here. And you're going to press the mixture into the strainer to get as much juice out as possible. When the coconut starts drying out, you want to add some rum, or you can add some more milk from the bowl back into the coconut so that you can press it and strain it one more time. After doing it the second time, you can go ahead and toss the coconut. We won't be needing it anymore. Next, we're going to strain the entire mixture again, but this time we're going to use a smaller strainer. So like you see me doing here, I'm tapping to make sure all of the milk comes out, and if there's anything left over, we can toss it. The next step is to add some of our seasonings. So first, we're going to add 1 more can of carnation milk. Then you're going to add a generous amount of sugar. Mix in the sugar until it's completely smooth and blended. Next, we're going to add some cinnamon powder and some nutmeg. Next, I'm going to take a whisk and blend everything thoroughly together. Next, I'm going to add some fresh lime zest. After adding all of these ingredients, you want to whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk until it is thoroughly blended. Next, we are going to strain this one more time. So I'm using, again, my cute little strainer, and I've placed it into my bigger strainer. And so we're going to strain this so that if there's any ingredients, any harder or clumped together pieces of cinnamon, nutmeg, or lime stuck together, it will be caught in the strainer, and then we can discard that. Now it's time to add our sweetened condensed milk. And so you're going to add 1 full can of that. You want to mix and mix or whisk and whisk. Either way, we do not want the sweetened condensed milk to make this mixture hard. So you're going to keep mixing while you're adding it in. And now here comes the best part. We are going to add the rum. We use traditional Haitian Barbancourt Rum, or you can use Bacardi rum. Whichever one you desire, it's up to you, but make sure you add the rum. Next, you're going to add a literal pinch of salt, and we're going to also add our essence almond. Next, I'm going to grab my lime, cut it in half, and only juice half of the lime. And then I'm going to strain it into the cremas because we don't want any of the pulp from the lime falling into the cremas. The lime juice is the very last ingredient, so you're going to keep mixing until your consistency of the cremas looks like this. This is the consistency that your cremas should have. If it is too thick, add some more rum. And voila, my friends, you have Haitian Cremas. Now you can put this in a cup with ice and serve right away, or you can put this in the refrigerator for about 24 hours, or you can actually leave it out in a room temperature setting for about 2 to 3 days. For more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bon appetit, everyone.